These are the Gelous Gel Nail Starter Kits, available in 3 sizes, each with everything you need for salon quality gel nails at home, no experience required. Here's exactly what's included in each one. Starting with the original starter kit, the one that covers everything for your first gel mani. First out, the Gelous UV LED Gel Nail Lamp. Every layer of gel needs to be cured under the lamp for 60 seconds. That's what sets it, and if you have sensitive nails, there's a 99-second low heat mode too. Then your base coat. This polish goes on first, every single time. It's what bonds the gel to your nail. Skip it and the polish won't last. Your color coat comes next. One gel color of your choice when you order. And your top coat, your final layer. Once it's cured, your mani is hard, shiny and completely non-tacky. It seals everything in. Now the total tool pack. Inside, a nail file, orange wood cuticle sticks, lint-free wipes, manicure removal clips and peach cuticle oil. The nail file has 2 sides, the fine 180 grit for shaping and buffing your nails before application, and the rough 100 grit for breaking the seal on your top coat before removal. The lint-free wipes are used in multiple ways. During prep, moisten one with gel nail remover and wipe each nail. This dehydrates the surface so the polish adheres properly, and during removal, they go under your removal clips while your polish soaks off. The orange wood cuticle sticks are also used at both ends of the process. Before application, use them to gently push back your cuticles. During removal, once the polish has soaked, use them to push the gel away, always working from the cuticle outward. And the cuticle oil. Apply this around your nails after every application, removal and daily in between. It keeps your skin and nails nourished. Last in the starter kit, a full-size gel nail polish remover, included as a free gift. You'll reach for this consistently. Prep nail art removal. It's in almost every step of the routine. The super starter kit is the same foundation, plus 2 extra color coats of your choosing, so 3 colors total. If you already know you want options, different shades for different moods, this is the one. The ultimate starter kit takes it further, 5 color coats of your choice. Everything else stays the same. This is the one for anyone who knows they want a good range of colors to work with straight away. Every kit also has optional upgrades. The rubber base coat is a flexible alternative to the regular base coat, great if your nails are on the thinner or more flexible side. There's also specialty polishes, including our best-selling magnetic velvet finishes, if you want to go beyond a classic color. And there are some optional add-ons worth knowing about. pH Bond and Nail Primer are both prep products. They help the gel bond better to your nail, which means longer wear and less lifting. If you've ever had a mani that didn't last as long as you wanted, these are the great add-ons to look at. Builder Gel is another one people love. It's applied after your base coat and adds a layer of strength and protection to your nails. If your nails tend to break or you want to encourage growth, this is what helps. Every kit comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in getting started. And everyone has free access to Gelous Academy, our free online learning platform. It takes you from your very first set through to your best one. Everything you need to feel confident all in one place. We've also got hundreds of tutorials right here on YouTube. Nail prep, application, removal, all linked in the description below. And if you ever have questions, drop them in the comments or get in touch through our website. We're always here to help. If this was helpful, subscribing means you won't miss any of our tutorials. We post new ones regularly. See you in the next one.